So Floyd Green, Agriculture Minister, and his lawyers have now put out a letter, a legal letter, indicating that they are suing Andre Stevens for defamation. And of course, in the letter, it pretty much spoke about the fact that, Mr. Stevens made reference on several platforms that he, Floyd Green, is a criminal. Something to that effect. Whatever it is, yeah. Andre Stevens, just like many other bloggers, saw the Auditor General's report of the over 870 million Jamaican dollars issued in contracts from the agriculture sector without the proper oversight. Similarly, UWE did the same thing and ignored legal procedures like the proper procurement guidelines that should have been followed. Everybody ignored what they were ignoring and expected that the country should just take it for what it is and don't say nothing. There was a billionaire woman from Asia. I don't remember the country, but I know for sure it's an Asian country. You can look it up. Who defrauded people in that country of monies. She was found guilty, but the payment for her crime was death. Not time spent in jail, and it was death immediately. Not time spent in jail. This was a billionaire who had enough money to pay off judge, to pay off whatever. But in that Asian country, they have people who have something known as integrity. Yeah man, true. Something that these people here in Jamaica don't know nothing about. So politicians can constantly rob and rape the country's purse and get away with it. And on top of it, have the audacity to want to send letters out from their so-called legal teams to sue people for defamation. Of course, because people are not supposed to talk, yeah, and express themselves about your nastiness and your fraudulent actions. So, Marvin Edgar, which is me, yours truly, wanna not come to me, wanna not send none come over here, so. And I wonder why. Yeah, because let me tell you something, Floyd Green, you and your Prime Minister should be arrested, Yeah man, long time. It was your Prime Minister who gave you a slap on the damn wrist when you and your friends mocked the entire country on No Movement Day in a COVID, or Jamaica forgot. Who forgets our Floyd Green? A Floyd Green and his friend them in the hotel, a bus champion while the rest of we have to lock down like a winner hand away and winner no sense. And we who were trying to push against their dirty, nasty apartheid, yeah, medical apartheid stuff, them forcing them dirty injectables upon us, yeah, when we told them that, listen, this is my body, my choice. We don't have we on the lockdown and allow Floyd Green and him friends them to bust champagne in our face. As a matter of fact, the very wording captured in the same video was them telling us, so we're out and about while everybody else locked down. They mocked us. And the Prime Minister and them give him a slap on the wrist. They removed him. They literally removed him as Agriculture Minister, make him something else, and then found a way to bring back the damn criminal boy upon us. Yeah, man. True. And nobody said anything. It's just like with Darry Limpo Filbert. Darry Limpo was throwing away her garbage on the streets and the police write her up. And the DPP said no charge. No charge to Darry Limpo, the Speaker of the House. And of course she was also charged for illicit enrichment. And you know what them do? Remove her as the Speaker of the House and blah blah blah. And then when it came around to election, it was Andrew Holness himself who came out and said, by popular demand, over there in Trelawney, the constituents over there wants Darry Limpo Filbert, and then find a way to rally back a criminal power. Yeah, man, choo-choo. And Jamaica this. So we find a way just like go and wash money, then come and wash their politicians. But hello, you see when time we not wash them in a for me bad pan. You see for me bad pan, we not wash them in a for me bad pan. Nah, forget the dirt. We come out of them dirty clothes. So as much as you wash them and think that they are washed and you present them to the people as clean, they are not clean. They are not clean. And let me tell you what's going to happen. We might not have a law like what the Asian people have for when you're found guilty, for literally put you before the firing squad or chop off on a damn head. We might not be at that stage yet, but you know better pray to God that this boy, that one here, you know better pray to God that me and the constitution that we have over by up Jamaica don't make it to the parliament. Because when we go to the parliament, Uno will be hung. Yeah man, we're hang Uno man. Yeah man, Uno must be hung. True. So the country needs to come out and let these pieces of filth understand themselves that you don't just get up and come and dictate to us as to how we should criticize your nastiness. Why would you not have a proper oversight body for 800 billion, but when time it 8 million, but when time it comes to us going to the friggin' bank with as much as $5,000 or $10,000, we need to provide proof of funds if we're deposited. We need to provide proof of funds. We need to give up a friggin' kidney and talk how much damn tree is in the neighborhood. Oh no, listen to me, Jamaica. Same thing with Christopher Tufton. $690 billion. $billion cannot be found under the health sector now. See there, we're about to add more to that the money there. When them done it, have to go over $1 trillion. And these people, they collect their salaries every month and they dictate to us and chat up to it. Yeah? Because them a bad man and get them thinking dirty criminal lawyers to want to send people, comes about to send people defamation letter. If you think that 2026 is going to finish and all of you not get arrested or locked up or whatever, because every card up on the table. You don't want people to run and when them soon if shake and say, hey. I saw a comment from a senior citizen under the post where somebody said they need to arrest Floyd Green, and the woman, the senior citizen woman on Facebook, I gonna say, uno ga arrest is sinting we under uno mama. And that is senior citizen say. The senior citizen who have seen the Auditor General's report. For those of you who don't know, the Auditor General, she uno need to sit there one away and talk to her. I am sure that woman is completely depressed by the amount of ministries and not one or two. Every single government ministry has questionable things about them, including the office of the Prime Minister. The office of the Prime Minister, for the first in the history of the country, is the office of the Prime Minister is being scrutinized for illicit enrichment. I'm gonna go and protect you drunk with them. And Mr. Chris Zaka from Sagicor, yeah, I'm gonna bring you up next.